Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to exclude audience in Performance Max. All right, so first up, go ahead over to campaigns. Select your campaign right here. For example, this one. Then I'm going to go ahead over to signals, edit. Here we have audience signal. If you want to exclude one, go ahead and click on to select audience right here. Click on X. Now you're going to want to replace that with something else. All right. For example, I'm going to add right here this sample audience. I'm going to hit on save. All right. Another option, if you are trying to exclude CRM audience right here, just follow these steps. Go to your Google Ads account, select Performance Max campaign, click on the audience tab. Under exclusions, click on the add exclusion button. You select the CRM audience option, select the CRM list that you want to exclude and hit on save. Now, if you're having problem deleting or excluding your audiences, you can go ahead and go to help right here at the top and talk with a rep, okay? As they can easily help you, all right? Edit your account or add something that is not available under Performance Max, all right? That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.